Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Corner Play Kitchen is probably one of the most sought-after toys for young children, offering a dedicated space for imaginative role-playing, fostering creativity, social interaction, and even early cognitive development. In this video, we will explore the top-rated corner play kitchens on the market, comparing their features, durability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your little chef. Number 5. KidKraft Ultimate Kitchen. It's made from sustainable wood, built to last. Assembly is a breeze. 2 people can put it together in under 2 hours. Its clever curved design fits perfectly in any corner, maximizing your space. You'll love how it fits in your home. The burners and water dispenser light up and make realistic sounds, adding to the fun. It's just like a real kitchen. With a working washer, kids can even do laundry. It has an open and closed door for realistic play. It's packed with interactive features, buttons to press, knobs to turn, and even fabric curtains. It's almost like the real thing. This kitchen will inspire hours of imaginative play and fun. Kids will love creating their own culinary adventures. What we like? It is made of sustainable wood, ensuring durability. The realistic lights and sounds enhance the play experience. If you are looking for a charming, immersive play kitchen with added details like curtains, this is the one for you. What people say. This kitchen is very sturdy and does take about 2 hours to assemble, but well worth it. It has space on the shelves that's actually usable for storage. Certain things make noises which are awesome. And it was worth it. This kitchen is so cute and sturdy. And I love that it fits in the corner. The noises for the stovetop and ice maker are adorable. The storage in this kitchen is wonderful. We don't need extra storage for play food, as it actually fits. Amazing quality and super sturdy. Number 4. KidKraft Uptown Kitchen. It's the perfect play kitchen for young chefs. It features realistic details and tons of fun interactive elements. The refrigerator, freezer, oven, cabinet, and microwave doors all open and close just like a real kitchen. It's so much fun to play pretend. The oven and sink knobs click and turn, adding to the realistic play experience. Kids will love mimicking real-life kitchen tasks. The sink is removable, making cleanup a breeze. It's designed for easy maintenance and worry-free play. It includes a cordless phone with a hands-free clip and a chalkboard on the freezer. There are endless possibilities for imaginative play. It has shelving for pots, pans, and accessories. Kids can organize their play kitchen just like grown-ups. The oven and microwave have see-through doors, adding to the realistic detail. It's a fun way to enhance imaginative play. What we like? This kitchen features an interactive chalkboard and all the doors open and close. It also includes a play phone for added fun. If your child enjoys creative play and interactive features, this kitchen is perfect for them. What people say. It's super cute, very sturdy, and while my 1-year-old can't reach the freezer or microwave yet, she easily plays with everything else. It's really the perfect size for kids in the 3 to 7 years old age range, I think, but will work for kids older and younger than that. This kitchen has tons of storage space for all those tiny items you buy to go along with it. Additionally, this kitchen is so much more realistic and sturdy. It's not an eyesore and it looks a lot more like mommy and daddy's kitchen. It's so cool that I want to play with it myself. Ours didn't have any broken or defective parts on arrival and was very easy to put together, with clear instructions, though it did take a while. I'm very impressed by the level of detail on this kitchen. Number 3. KidKraft Farm Kitchen. It's made of sustainable wood, built to last for years of imaginative play. You can feel good knowing it's made with high-quality materials. Grow your own play vegetables in the built-in planters. Don't forget to label them on the chalkboard. The vegetables have self-adhesive closures for a realistic slicing sound. And the ice maker really dispenses pretend ice cubes. The faucet lights up and makes running water sounds. The cooktop lights up and sizzles, just like the real thing. With 2 people, you can have it set up in about 2 hours or less. It's designed for easy assembly. It comes with 17 accessories to enhance the play experience. Everything you need for hours of fun. What we like. It has a unique farm-to-table theme with realistic features. The lights and sounds add to the fun, and the ice maker is a special touch. If you want a play kitchen that promotes imaginative play and realistic features, this is a great choice. What people say. It was easy, though time-consuming, to put together myself. The doors aren't the sturdiest and I've had to teach my toddler to shut them gently. It is so much fun for my little guy and definitely worth the price I paid. Pros, looks. We set it up in our secondary living room and it looks nice despite being a very large toy. Storage. We already owned a lot of toy food and cooking accessories and they all fit in the included bins, refrigerator, and oven. Play value. My son has been cooking daily for a week straight. This has an oven you can fit a whole cake in. A refrigerator that you can stock full. His favorite thing to do is cut the included vegetables and boil them in the included pots. Easy construction. Hardware was labeled ridiculously well and went together as shown in the clear directions. I was a little hesitant to purchase this based on the other reviews but did, and it came in and it's totally as cute in person as it is in the photos. Modern, sleek, thoughtful play kitchen. It comes with a metal pot, metal pan, metal spatula, all have metal hooks to hang them on, 3 cuttable, Velcro, wooden carrots and 3 beets, teal planter boxes to set them in with brown foam inserts to hold them in place, chalkboard menu inspiration recipe wall and chalkboard labels for the planters, 3 ice cubes that come out of the dispenser on the refrigerator, a wooden knife with a thoughtful slot to store it, a wooden cutting board with a hook on the left side to hang it on, 2 collapsible wood-printed drawer inserts for storage, a removable oven shelf rack, farmhouse sink, a faucet that lights up and makes water noises, batteries already installed, 2 gas burners that also light up and make noise, batteries already installed. Goes very well with Melissa and Doug wooden food crates. Took 2 people to set up, about 1 hour. I could not be more impressed with this kitchen set. I have been looking for a cute and practical kitchen set that would fit all ages and this is the only one I have found. Size. Great size, a little too tall for a 1.5 years old but soon will grow into it. I wanted something that could fit my youngest and my tall 5 years old doesn't feel like this is a mini kitchen. Electronic, I really wanted something that had the knobs for the oven with the lights and sound effects, an ice maker, and the faucet was a big bonus that everyone loves. It came with all the extras you will need. Knife, pots and pans, spatula, super cute play food that can be cut with the knife, ice cubes, cutting board, and bins. So impressed with the details that went into this all the way down to the dirt in the bins for the veggies. Large area to prepare cut food. Husband put it together in about 2 hours, no wood was chipped or split. He said it was easy, just takes patience and time. Number 2. BCP Wooden Play Kitchen. It's the perfect play kitchen for your little chef. With its realistic design and tons of accessories, it's sure to spark hours of imaginative fun. It features a chalkboard where they can jot down their culinary creations. This large set is designed for their size and mimics a real kitchen. It comes with everything they need, utensils, pots, a phone, and even an ice maker. They can keep everything organized in the overhead shelf, oven, or fridge. It has realistic features like a towel rack and ice machine, plus fun sounds. They'll feel like they're in a real designer kitchen. It takes about 90 minutes to assemble, but it's worth it. The sturdy construction ensures it will last through countless play sessions. Rest easy knowing it meets US safety standards. It's made with durable materials and built to withstand enthusiastic play. It measures 31.25 inches long, 9.5 inches wide, and 31.5 inches high. Plenty of space for culinary adventures. What we like. It boasts a realistic design and comes with many accessories. The removable sink makes cleanup a breeze. If you prioritize a complete playset with convenience, this is ideal for you. What people say. Seems pretty durable and not too cheap. All the parts were in great shape and I didn't come across any issues. The doors function great. Very sturdy. There are several different screws for attaching different types of pieces together, other than that easy to put together. We really like all the space in each compartment and the metal utensils that came with it. Number 1. KidKraft Uptown Kitchen. It's made of durable, sustainable wood and painted with child-safe paints, ensuring it will last for years. This is a toy that can be passed down through generations. Watch it light up and hear the cooking sounds as your child plays. The realistic details will bring their culinary dreams to life. It features a working ice maker that dispenses plastic ice cubes, adding to the fun and realism of the play experience. Kids will love making pretend ice for their pretend drinks. With click and turn knobs, a tile backsplash, and marble look countertops, it looks just like a real kitchen. It even includes a functional towel rack for added realism. It's designed for quick and easy assembly. Clear instructions mean you can have it set up in as little as 30 minutes. This kitchen provides endless opportunities for imaginative play, encouraging creativity and role-playing. It's the perfect gift for any child who loves to cook. What we like. Made from high-quality wood, it features lights and sounds for an immersive experience. The working ice maker adds a fun, realistic element. If you value durability and realistic features, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This one is more compact, but the burner's light, it has an ice maker, and contemporary styling. It is also good-looking and realistic. Its sleek design is far more pleasing than the obnoxious pink or bright-hued options from other brands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.